subscribe to Creeper Fan 12. Haha!
Hello guys, Creeper Fan 12 here. Today, I got an Xbox One, and I am not missing a friend, am I? No, I'm not missing a friend. Oh, hi Weapon Boss! Yay! So, we get to open the Xbox One.
And where did you get the Xbox One?
We got it in a raffle at PopCon, and don't look at that, this is a bonus. So, let's open this up. The Xbox One, all clean and beautiful. Let's open it from the bottom.
Here, let me put my...
There.
We need epic music.
And we have to open it from the top.
Oh, God.
It'll be better.
Can I open to the top? Just cut this tape.
Yes. No, I got it.
I'm the weapon master.
Yeah, you need to be careful because you're just doing that.
You're saying this to the weapon master. You're saying this.
Anyways,
Dude.
so opening.
Opening.
Did that sound what?
What if you just karate chop me with that?
Turn it this way.
That looks like a couch. That looks like a bigger couch. That looks like a weird piece of paper thing.
So, if you can hold the box,
It's heavy.
it's very heavy. Oh my gosh, here's the actual unit. We'll get that to a little later. And more foam. Right here. Pull
Yeah,
this
there's
out.
Oh, more couches.
So, we open this.
I made rectangular prison.
Okay, so we get Xbox manual, get that. So what this comes with,
Remind me what this looks like. You don't know what this looks like?
no. I'm trying to unbox this here. Anyway, so what this comes with is
Cord,
power cable,
or known as cord.
how else are we gonna hook it up with to the TV without HDMI? We got HDMI. Let's pull this plastic off. I'll
Also
show you
known
that
as
it's new.
cord.
No, it's not a cord. It's a
Technical.
dogs.
No sexy window. Very sexy.
Anyways, cables. Here we got the amazing headset. Check this out.
That's 4 mics.
This mic is amazing. Look at this.
It circles.
Anyways, let's take this out of this. Oh yeah, we also have my friend's brother, which also has a YouTube account. His name is Death Manor.
Rifle Godzilla as well.
Rifle Godzilla as well. Check him out on YouTube. Please subscribe to him. So what we got here is new connector.
Awesome.
That's for the controller.
So we got mic mute, mic unmute. We got plus and minus just to turn it up and down.
And there's your
So-
controller.
It only comes with one.
Yeah, but we bought another one.
Oh, wow.
We bought 2. Well, we only have 2 controllers. So we'll check this out before we get to the controllers. Controllers.
Did you buy the games yet?
Yes, got the games. So here's the Xbox One power brick.
That's a big brick.
Well, the Xbox 360 is a little bit bigger.
Called a
360 is
cable
skinnier.
line.
So this is the brick. Where you hook it up to the Xbox is right here. Oh, that's a new connector.
Circles.
Let's put that to the side. Let's get to the controller. Let's see how shiny and beautiful this looks. Austin,
Huh?
Looks like a PS3, but
here
kind of looks
is
like
the
PS3.
controller.
Controller.
Beautiful.
And that's where the mic goes.
Yeah, the
Mic doesn't go there.
the mic goes down here.
Oh, that's where it's been
And
the
there's
whole
one more
time.
thing.
I think it's the cord to charge it.
Comes with 2 AA batteries. I think it's AA. So I'm going to use my returnable batteries, which are not
Always over there.
Oh, they're there.
I made something. But I have to put this.
Looks like a.
You can see you got a long couch.
That's very long.
So, 2 AA batteries.
Look, guys, double decker couch.
Yes!
Best invention ever.
So, where's that GameStop bag? Where did that go?
In your room?
Right there.
Not that.
Dang it.
That's from Popcorn.
Oh, BoopCon.
I'll be right back.
Entertain us.
Entertain.
And go.
Okay, I'm back. So,
Oh, no.
weapon boss. But I've got some good news and some bad news for you.
I died.
Popcorn and Mark.
He died.
No.
Oh.
He
That would
missed
be very sad.
Well, he didn't show
Well,
up.
I know, I already
we
know.
forgot to mail it. We'll send it. We'll send it to him in the PO box pretty soon. Maybe tomorrow. But we'll get to the console right after this. So what we got is.
Oh, look.
Got this. I
Halo
know.
book.
It's got Destiny on it too.
Oh, it's the Destiny.
Halo.
You can have this.
Oh, book.
See that grand
So
controller
we
back
got
30% off.
there? He's gonna get the DLC.
$30 extra
Both
credit.
DLCs?
Mortal Kombat X.
Mortal. You said mortal.
Mortal Kombat X.
Let me hold him. That's
We got
That's the game
Call
you
of
need.
Duty. Oh, and Advanced Warfare.
That's the game y'all
That's the
need.
DLC.
Really, boss.
And we got a Call of Duty controller, and then I called dibs on it.
Oh, whatever.
That's the Sentinel.
So
Hang on, let me see a close up of that.
somebody would grab some scissors.
So
Right
awesome.
there. And it's from this game.
Why don't you just use the knife?
Together.
Guys, he doesn't really work with them.
Mortal Kombat.
Get the scissors out of the drawer over there. So yeah.
Yeah, there's some little hidden gems that they were telling us about on this.
So right
Hidden
here,
gems.
there's kill marks.
Up.
Actually, hold on. Let me take it out of the box and then show you this bag. Out of the bag. I'm sorry.
Yeah, bag.
This was pre-used.
Pretty used. Somebody already used it?
Yeah. It's pretty cool. So, ooh, it's comfortable.
I want to hold it.
Wait. Hold this one. This one's the exact same thing. So
Imagine us sitting
right
on the couch.
here is little kill marks of people who killed people. So you can see.
Guys, look.
Amazing.
There's more kill marks right here.
Dang!
And
the
there's a
camera.
little more kill marks.
I think there's like certain designs. Let me see this one.
And there's a little smiley face.
And this is us in the future.
This is us in the future.
That's us during Mortal Kombat X.
Yeah, I'm killing them!
Right?
Yeah, oh, headshot, boom!
All right, can we see the main
Call it airstrike.
piece?
Guys, cheer out Xbox like, wait. So, let me tell you.
Xbox One!
No.
Xbox!
You have more counts. So there's this very funny thing. Mommy gotta do it with me. While we're standing in line to meet the YouTubers, Jacksepticeye started this one thing. He went, Bob. Alright, ready? And then everybody started to catch on, and then the whole place went Bob. Just cheering for Bob. I don't know why, but it's...
Everybody just started yelling.
Yes!
I guess he was running late. He was the last one to show up, and we were all excited when he got there.
Another couch! Yeah! Oh, look at them. For Mario.
Maybe you should create that couch.
From Markiplier.
Couch for beats.
Yes, give me a couch.
Couch.
Oh, couch!
Couch.
Couch!
The mini couch.
Love seat!
Couch.
Mega couch.
Okay, so let's see this console.
I'm so challenged.
Whoa, that's...
Shiny.
Why did it get all why did it get all windy all of a sudden?
It's not wind, that's an airplane.
As soon as you like tore that off, I felt a bunch of wind in my head.
I believe
Oh, look up.
God and the angels are singing for this.
Look up. Not just that.
I made a crate.
Or the ceiling fan saying yay.
I made a crate.
Anyways,
Break it open.
so here's the old unit. It's quite...
Don't drop
Is it
it.
heavy?
It's actually quite light.
What?
What?
So, that's some weird outputs.
Let me see those outputs.
No. No.
Weird.
That's a
Confusing.
lot of output.
Yeah. Like the actual Xbox.
Oh, you guys
Doesn't
have
look like a PlayStation.
you guys have those
That's
autographs. I want to see them. Their handwriting.
So,
all
what
I
I'm
see.
planning on for next year for Popcorn or Gen Con, if they come,
I hope I do that.
I'm gonna get a signature from Jack, Mark, Wade, and Bob.
Do it on your controllers too.
Okay, I'll do that.
Make sure you got that shirt.
So,
And do it on the couch.
Make sure you get it on the uniform.
This is the whole unit. This was my Xbox opening. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys later.
That is your Xbox when it grew up.
Hello guys, Quick Fan 12 here, and today I'm with, I don't know who I'm with again. We're doing a bonus scene, and
What's up?
Ready for Godzilla?
Death man.
Yes, matter. Hey! What up, boss? Hey, what's up, brother?
I feel somebody's cold feet on me.
And we're doing
So let's
the randomized sucker challenge.
They taste terrible.
whatever flavor you get is what you're gonna taste.
Ready? Start. Open your first one.
What are the options?
You're gonna have to eat them.
Bacon, buttery popcorn, and pizza.
Ooh.
Okay, first, everyone.
In sucker
open
form.
Your first one.
Open your first one.
Okay.
Are they all yellow?
Oh,
Nope.
no, shouldn't be. Okay, ready? Everyone? Tastes like butterscotch.
Butter popcorn.
Let's see how long. Let's see if you can hold out the longest.
Bacon. Buttery popcorn.
See if you can hold out the longest.
I tasted this before. It sucks. I need a bowl.
That face
It's
though.
that terrible, isn't it?
Oh yeah?
You will eat the crap out of it.
Boss move.
Yeah.
Boss mode. Somebody put on the Harlem Shake for this.
Wait, rage mode.
I'm gonna open the second one now.
Second one.
Mine's stuck. Oh, come on.
That's nasty.
Mine's.
Yellow.
Yellow.
What?
3, 2, 1.
What?
I'm not gonna give up.
You're such a
I have
weenie.
no idea.
Buttery popcorn.
Pizza.
Hey, look, another one.
That's mine. I took it out of my mouth.
That's pizza.
What kind of one?
No, that's bacon.
Butter popcorn.
Buttery popcorn.
What? Garlic.
That's pizza.
Oh.
Oh,
Really?
I got butter popcorn, which was the first one. Bacon, which is the second one. Those two mixed does not go well.
Well, that was tasty.
It's like you won the last round.
No, I'm still eating one.
Oh God.
Oh.
All right, so I guess that's the end of the challenge.
Ellen!
Good for you. Oh, that
I need to
sucks.
change YouTube ones.
Yeah.
It's still recording.
Hey, check out Creeper Fan 12. He's got YouTube's channel.